Hello, hello out there. Make sure to pick up your free gift. It's in the description. Don't do it right now. Watch this video, then head to the description, click the link for your free 7-day guide to inner joy. So in this video, I want to talk to you about what are the signs that you are awakening, that you are transforming, when you don't see or feel any signs of it. You have been doing everything correctly. You've done your meditation. First thing in the morning, as I told you in a different video, you're not reaching for the phone. You are doing your meditation right at the moment you wake up. You're meditating again in evening time. You're doing your affirmations. You're doing affirmative prayers. You are staying out of negative conversations. You are cutting the negative self-talk. All that amazing, great stuff that we all do. But yet, you are not feeling or seeing a change. First of all, you must be patient. Second of all, try and look for little increments of change. Because very often, transformation and awakening happens in little increments. You will have the big aha moments as well, but mostly it's little itty-bitty increments. So one sign, I can just talk about my own transformation and awakening. One sign is that you are no longer interested in gossip. What other people did, or what Sally did the other day, and so-and-so cheated on so-and-so, and all that stuff, you're like, I had enough of that. That has no interest. That is negativity that does not fuel my soul, and it does not fuel my journey in any way, shape, or form. You're no longer interested in that. Number 2, the news. You're becoming allergic to the news, because every time you turn on the news, all you see is death and destruction. Of course, we want to stay up to date with the latest. We need to know what is going on, like the headlines. But consuming the news every evening at 9 p.m., watching just everything, death and destruction, you have become allergic to that. You're like, nah. I don't want that in my consciousness. I don't want to feed my mental capacity with this BS, so to speak. That's number 2. 3, another sign is that you have somewhat become addicted. Addicted is a bad word, but in lack of a better word, to your spiritual practice. If you don't get your meditation in first thing in the morning, you kind of feel a bit off. If you don't get your meditation in at all for a few days, because you've been really busy and schedules and life, we all know how it goes. You're like, I need to get my meditation in. You just feel better. So that means that now your spiritual practice has become a part of the lifestyle. It's not something that you have to do. It has become something that you enjoy and something that you get to do. And that is actually the true sign of you awakening and that you are transforming. So just be patient and make sure to look for the little increments, the little itty-bitty signs that happens every day, maybe, or maybe every week. But they will accumulate, and one day you're going to look back and you're going to look, wow, I really changed. Wow, I don't really do that anymore. Wow, I don't really engage in gossip anymore. I don't really talk down to myself like I used to anymore. So now you're changing, and now you are transforming.